Don't pull away though, she's not gonna hurt you.
So this is a part of our National FFA Week festivities. All week we've been doing things to celebrate the National FFA and the things that we do and the values that we hold in our program. Today we have a petting zoo as our final day of National FFA Week. We have guinea pigs, rabbits, a tortoise, snakes, our goats, our market lamb, our market pigs here, just showcasing all of the different animal SAEs that we have in our program.
We celebrate agriculture and what the FFA is about, which is not just animals, but also career success, premier leadership, personal growth, all sorts of things that the FFA embodies.
He's so adorable, I love him. This is my first time experiencing stuff like this, so I'm honestly very, very grateful for the school. I really do appreciate everything that they've done for us.
This is Christina. We got her sometime in July, I think. Near the start, she was only around 90 pounds, but over the course of the project, it's currently 236 pounds.
The FFA is a national youth development organization focused on agriculture and agricultural principles. Students compete in different events as well as hold SAEs and different leadership positions. So at chapter level, which is our school, we have student officers. We also have students that show animals at the fair, that raise plants, students that do educational activities, and then also students that compete in contests. Like we just had our milk quality and products team compete and win at the state level.
For me personally, when I entered the program, I didn't really have a place of belonging. And being an FFA and raising animals has helped me to find my passion, because I didn't know what I wanted to do. I just was looking for careers with money and not with passion. And now I've been able to find careers that interest me, that I have true passion in. I also know that just being around animals, learning about animals can be very beneficial, because this is the root of all of us. We all eat, we all wear clothes, and this all comes from animals and agriculture.